You know, I remember very poignantly that some ex-girlfriend's dad was like, "Where's the batteries? What are 9 volts? What's a 9-volt battery?" Okay, so it wasn't until this very moment right here, and this has happened all the time, it struck me that maybe this is my 9-volt battery moment. Anyway, meet the Ninja, and of course, you're never gonna be fully satisfied until you have some of that shit. Yum yum. Okay, so anyway, okay, it's a fucking blender, right? Cool. So I'm looking at it. Let's look at it. Let's take this off, shall we? It's like a hot chick. You just got her down. She loved the food. Oh, no, what's this? You grab and move. What the fuck is this? Huh. So what? Release. Okay, let's. Okay. Huh. Then you have another arrow. I mean, wasn't there one just there? Huh. Okay. The fuck? Oh. So, in other words, let me step back from this for a second. Yeah. So, you're done shaking your shit. You gotta push the button. I need 9-volt batteries. And twist it. Voila! Okay, great. Now the question is, how the fuck do you put stuff in it? I mean, that's clearly poor. That's poor. That's poor. This is poor. Any fucking blender that you need an instruction manual to fucking use is ridiculous. Release. Mark's gonna get pissed if I break this too. But, I mean, seriously, Mark hates computers. What the fuck's he doing with this? I love computers, and I'm having the worst possible fucking time. Maybe all the way back, and then, oh well, fuck this. I'm just gonna eat ice cream.